coffee, hot laser hair removal, and Mama's Revenge burrito. Jeez, with a name like Mama's Revenge, it better be fucking awesome. And I love these new buildings that we keep on seeing pop up, just once they don't destroy historical buildings. So yeah, this is the circle around Trinity College. Plenty of buses, bus stops here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different buses there, and there's a few bus stops along the way. You're close to the Lewis line. That's Trinity College, so like it's almost like a focal point. And again, sorry for the wind. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this building here, this cool funky looking one, is an art gallery. Don't have my glasses on because I have my mask on, my mask fox. I'm just full of problems this year, am I? Jesus. So I was in there before. I was in there 2 or 3 times actually. And it's pretty cool. Like, they've got this cool spiral staircase. Now I remember when I was first in there as a kid, like, it just felt like I was like 20 stories up and all, but now looking from the outside, it's like, oh, it's only 5 stories, that's all. But it's free. Free is good. So if you have some time and you're close to Trinity College, then COVID isn't an issue. Okay, it looks like there's nothing down that way really, so we'll continue on this road. And then there's these things here as well. These are sprouting up all over the city, and people just kind of painting in the junction boxes. So it's pretty funky, you know. It gives a colour and vibrancy to the city, you know, and each one's different. So, National Gallery of Ireland. Galleria Náisiúnta na hÉireann. Más is féile Gaeilge alert. And we have kind of office blocks. There's a park here. I think this is Marion's Park. I think I've done this one before. But for Christmas now they have cool lights. And unfortunately I'm here during the daytime. I just can't see myself getting out here at night time. But EU Rambler done a video on it, if you want to go over to his channel. So we're starting a new video, I think, now, because it's 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, just to keep them short and sweet. We are somewhere now, just down the road from Trinity Art Gallery. Find out the name of the street now in a second. It's beside Marion Street, Marion Park. Okay, if I don't find the name, oh wait, hold on, there we go. So this is Clane Street. Clane Street. Crossed off with Marion Street lower. Marion Street lower. The American College Dublin, or ACDC. Again, it's very early, so don't let that discourage you. The Davenport. I've heard that name so many times before, but I've never been in there. It's Marion Close. Not so much good graffiti there. I think I was in this pub down here actually. Alright, just trying not to die here. Which way would the traffic be flowing? Traffic would flow from this way. Right. Now, one of the good things about not having people, you get to see the full buildings, you don't get distracted by the people, so that's what I'm going with being a bonus. Yeah, the Ginger, man, we were in there a couple of weeks ago for a few points. We're only able to get 2 points in now, but it seemed like a nice place.